Hi, it's me, Marianne. I want to show you this unicorn that I made with my embroidery machine. It's a technique called freestanding lace, where you actually do the stitching on a dissolvable stabilizer, and then after the stitching is done, you put the pieces into water and the stabilizer just dissolves away. So the pieces are made and I've let them dry thoroughly, and so now I'm ready to assemble it. And what I'm going to use to connect them together are some paper fasteners. We just line the pieces up, turn it to the back, open the wings of the paper fastener. Okay. Okay. And the tail. I love the colors on this. It's so pretty. You never know when you're starting a new design how it's going to look until it's finalized, so I was really relieved and pleased with how it came out. So the pieces are attached together and you've still got some mobility there with the parts. The paper fasteners like that are nice. It's kind of got that nice metallic finish to it. But I think I want to try something different with these paper fasteners and fancy them up a little bit. So I'm going to just take this apart and get some supplies. Okay, so I took the unicorn apart. I have my big bottle of Mod Podge. I have some extra fine glitter. It's crystal diamond color. Okay, so in this container I have some of the Mod Podge, and in this container I have the glitter, and I'm going to take a fastener with the hands out, get hold of it, dip it into the Mod Podge, and then into the glitter, coat it, tap off the excess. Then I have a piece of foam board here, and I'm going to need to adjust. Let me reposition this. Grab this here and slide this up a little bit and put it into the board. There. So now it can just sit right on the board until it's dry. And I'll get the best ones out of the group. That's probably what I'll do, because I've not done this before, so I think what I'm going to do is not get so much glue on it in the beginning. There we go. Okay, I grabbed that too low to begin with. Very difficult to get. Right around. Am I in view? Yes. I'll stick that over there. Okay, so I've got a set of them, and I'm going to let them dry, and then I'll take a look at them and see if I want to do a second coat. I might cover them with clear nail polish, though. Give them a little bit of a shine. Okay, well, let me let them dry and I'll be back. Okay, so the Mod Podge with the glitter on top is dried, and I wanted to put some kind of a shine on that, and I was going to use clear nail polish, but I found this. Keep in the view of the camera. I think that you all would appreciate it, wouldn't you? So I finished embellishing the paper fasteners with glitter and glitter nail polish, and I've assembled the unicorn. And now I need to figure out how I want to display it. So I'm thinking to hang it on the wall or set it on a shelf would be really nice, but it's flexible. So what I've come up with so far in my mind, or my idea, is to use this canvas square, and I got some paint, it's just some acrylic paint. This is the blue full strength, and it's a little bit darker than what I want, so I'm going to mix the blue and the white together and make a lighter sky blue. And okay, so let's set up a painting surface. Take this out of packaging.